Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavre from Gossipfunda. How to fix apps that won't download on a new iPhone. Let us look at some solutions for the same problem. So, in solution number 1, we need to make sure that we have a strong internet connection. If the connection is slow, the application will be stuck on downloading. So, connect to a strong Wi-Fi range. For this, you simply have to go to settings or scroll up the control center and then connect to Wi-Fi. And now you have to check the speed. So, for this, you can go to Safari or any browser and search for speed test. Anything above 10 Mbps is cool enough to download an application fast. So for solution number 2, you have to go to settings, then scroll down to general, tap on date and time and turn on set automatically. After this, you have to restart your phone. Let us have a look at solution number 3, for which you need to turn off the content and privacy. For this, go to settings and scroll down to screen time. After scrolling down, scroll down at the end to content and privacy and then turn off content and privacy restrictions. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the